Hey everyone, the Roborock P20 Ultra, launched in China following the release of the P20 Pro in August 2024, represents a significant leap forward in robotic vacuum technology. Designed to tackle common cleaning challenges while incorporating intelligent features for modern households, this model combines sleek aesthetics with cutting-edge functionality. Its ultra-thin profile, measuring just 7.98 centimeters, is a standout feature made possible by a dual-perspective LDS system. This design allows the P20 Ultra to effortlessly navigate under low-clearance furniture, beds, and other hard-to-reach areas, ensuring comprehensive cleaning coverage. The LDS system also enhances navigation precision, reducing the likelihood of the robot getting lost or stuck, while maintaining environmental awareness in open spaces for optimal performance. One of the most impressive aspects of the P20 Ultra is its zero-tangle system, which employs a four-step process to prevent hair tangling, a boon for pet owners. The main brush features widened silicone blades and bristles set at a 45-degree angle, paired with a powerful 22,000 Pascal suction capability to effectively capture debris. The side brush, designed with a spiral pattern and soft silicone ribs, further minimizes tangling and ensures thorough cleaning of edges and corners. These features make the P20 Ultra a reliable choice for households with high-shedding pets or long-haired residents. The mopping capabilities of the P20 Ultra are equally advanced, featuring hot water mopping at 12 newtons pressure, 30 adjustable water levels, and dual spinning mops that rotate at 200 RPM. This system not only removes stubborn stains, but also achieves a 99.99% sterilization rate, meeting maternal and infant-grade certification standards. The robot can automatically adjust its cleaning direction to target dirt trapped in floor gaps, ensuring a deeper clean. Additionally, the P20 Ultra excels at handling thresholds and carpets, thanks to its 4-centimeter obstacle clearance and self-rescue functionality. The brush and mop lifting features prevent carpets from getting wet and enable silent mopping, making it versatile for various floor types. Navigation and obstacle avoidance are further enhanced by reactive AI, which utilizes RGB cameras, structured light, and height sensors to identify 108 object types across 26 categories. This intelligent system ensures accurate navigation and prevents collisions with common household items. The P20 Ultra is available in two versions: a standard model priced at $550 and $635 for the auto water refill model. Both versions are now available for pre-order on major e-commerce platforms. With its elegant white design, the P20 Ultra seamlessly blends into modern home aesthetics while delivering a superior cleaning experience. Overall, the Roborock P20 Ultra sets a new standard for robotic vacuum cleaners, combining innovative technology, user-friendly features, and exceptional performance. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. Have a nice day, and God bless you.